instructions for SideJob cargo rack. Some of the things you'll need are a J bracket, a top bracket, 4 nuts and bolts, a hammer, a ratchet with a 1/2-inch socket, a bottom bracket, and foam protective pad. Okay, now let's get started. The first thing we're going to have to do is attach the top bracket to the J bracket using the 2 nuts and bolts. Start by taking one bolt and inserting it into the hole in the top of the J bracket and then hammer it down flush. Next, take the other bolt and do the bottom hole. Now flip the J bracket over, take your top bracket, align it up with your bolts, place the nuts on the bolts, and tighten using your ratchet. Do not over tighten. Next, install the bolts in the bottom holes of the J bracket. Now flip over your J bracket, take your bottom bracket, place it over the bolts, place the nuts over the bolts, and tighten with your ratchet. Again, do not over tighten. Last, we're going to install the protective foam pad on the back of the bottom bracket. Line it up and apply a little pressure to it. This completes the assembly process for one SideJob cargo rack bracket. You'll have to repeat this process for the second bracket.